In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change labels in Microsoft Planner. This straightforward tutorial will guide you through the process step by step, ensuring you can effectively organize your tasks using customized labels. So, let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is open a web browser of your choice and search for Microsoft Planner. This can be done through any search engine like Google or Bing. Once you've landed on the Microsoft Planner homepage, you'll need to locate the Sign In option. You can find this easily on the top right corner of the screen. Click on Sign In to enter your Microsoft account details. Now, if you already have an existing Microsoft 365 account, you'll likely be signed in automatically. If not, don't worry. It's a simple process. Just type in your email address and follow it up by entering your password. With that, you should have access to Microsoft Planner. After signing in, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll see a panel with various options. You're going to select My Plans. This section is where all your current projects or plans will be displayed. Choose the plan that contains the task you'd like to modify. Upon reaching your desired plan, you will see the board view or grid view, depending on your choice. In this view, you can see multiple task cards that are part of your project. Now, you'll need to open the specific task card where you want to change the label. Simply click on the card that interests you. Once the card is open, you'll be presented with a detailed view of that task. Look for the label section in the Task Details card. It's often easy to spot. In this Task Details section, you will see existing labels that are assigned to the task. To rename the label, find either the current label name or a pencil icon next to it. Select this option to begin editing. At this point, enter the new name you've chosen for your label. Once you're satisfied with the new label name, press Enter. This will automatically save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to change labels in Microsoft Planner. This process helps personalize your workflow and makes organization much easier, allowing for greater efficiency and clarity in your projects. By customizing labels, you can ensure your task management system reflects the unique needs of your team or personal projects. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial, and I hope you found this guide useful. Don't forget to leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe for more helpful videos.